Sometimes my ambition gets the best of me, as was the case with this piano project, which took me nearly 10 years to complete. I began this piece when I was 16 or 17 with the goal in mind of making something that could stand on its own and was structurally sound. It began with the lanyard wall, which is a super crazy brick stitch with 20 strands by 1 main string, and then I inserted some placeholders where I wanted to insert the holds for the keyboard and for the arms. Then for the keyboard itself, I alternated black and white strings and then added extra black strings in so that you could actually see the keys. And then life happened. I graduated high school and joined a band, started college and got my pilot's license. I got married, and yes, I wore jeans, and then I became a mom. And all the while, that lanyard sat in its box. Every so often, I'd pick it up and do a few more stitches. Then I'd get carried away by something else and it'd go back in its box until the next time that I picked it up. But finally, after 10 years, I pulled the final stitch tight. Now, it wasn't perfect by any means, but it taught me a valuable lesson. That no matter how long it takes, each stitch adds up. The patience, persistence, and discipline required to make a project, no matter how slow, are what transform ideas into reality. The journey might have been long, but I was building something bigger than what I could have imagined.